Come here, sugar. Hurry up. Come on, Cookie. Come on. Come on. Come here. Hurry up, Cookie. Cookie's taking her time. Come here, Cookie. I didn't bring you any goodies. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Hello. Hi, Cookie. Pretty. Hello. Hello. Oh, here comes Sugar. Stormy's not coming. Come here. Hurry up. Come here. Come here. Come on. Here she comes. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hello. Hi, baby. Come here. Hello. Hello. Come here. Come here. Oh! You silly. Come here. Where's the baby? Are you going to bring your baby out? Huh? You're not going to bring your baby out? No? 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 You itchy? Hey, Cookie. They're wondering where their goodies are. They're used to us bringing goodies. Oh, here comes the baby. Look, the baby's coming. Oh. Come here, Sugar. Hurry up. Come here. Can we see your baby? I mean, Stormy. I'm calling Stormy Sugar. Can we see your baby, Sugar? Aww. Stay back a little bit because she might get upset. Aww. Hello. Hi, baby. Can I pet baby? You don't want me to? Can I pet baby? No? She's saying stay back a little bit. She's protecting. Look at them. They look like Mommy and Mini-Me. Cookie's saying, nobody's paying attention to me now. Hi, Sugar. Pretty. Yes, you are so pretty. With hay all over you. My pet you a little? Mommy's coming. Stay back. She's saying, Stay away from my baby. Stay away from my baby. That's my baby. Let her lick your hand again. She wants to lick it.
That is so weird.
Thank you for letting us see your baby. Thank you. I didn't bring you anything today. I'm sorry. Bye, Cookie. Okay.
So weird.
Her little nose is wet. Okay. We're gonna go for a walk. We'll see you later, guys. Girls. Bye. See ya. Bye-bye.